tell me keep it simple, I tell them take it slow. I feed them water and ideas so I let it grow. I tell them take it easy, they laugh and tell me no. It's cool but I don't see them laughing at my money though. They spitting stacks at me, I'm spitting tracks, catch me, I'm spinning gold out my records so you kick them Benny. They tell me Jesus walks, I tell them running charts, playing got me chill cause I'm living in high spots. They tell me I've been sleeping, I say I'm wide awake, tracks hadn't ready so they call me Mr. Easy Bank. They say the grass is greener, I think my grass is dank. Drive up with the drag on an empty tank, took the bag. Do you feel me? Take a look inside my brain. But people always different, one that always feels the same. That's the way talk this champagne. The haters wanna hurry and the words they never say.
Staying still, eyes closed, left door just pass me by. They impales, eyes closed, can't bubble, I think don't die. Touch me, lightness, make me bored of your desire. None to guide us, I feel fear for the very last time.
Tell me that I'm special, I smile and shake my head. I'll give them stories to tell friends about the things I said. They tell me I'm so homo, I say I'm turning red. They let me lie to them and don't feel like they've been misled.
Thank you so much to me, I'm losing touch, get me served on a silver glider as the seconds they just let me. They tell me I'm a god, I'm lost in the facade, 6 feet off the ground. At all times I think I'm feeling odd.
No matter what I make, they never see mistakes. Making so much bread, I don't care that they're just being fake. They tell me you're below me, I act like I'm above. The people blend together, but I would be lost without their love.
Can you heal me? Have I gained too much? When you become untouchable, you're unable to touch.
Is there a real me? Lost the champagne. It hurts me just to think, am I told to think?
Staying still, eyes closed, let door